Today, we've got some interesting rumors about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Now, before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech news. Let's get started. So, here's the buzz. A leakster over on X, formerly known as Twitter, dropped some potentially disappointing news for those of you who aren't big fans of Samsung's Exynos chipsets. According to this source, Samsung is reportedly planning to go all in with its Exynos SoCs for the entire Galaxy S25 lineup. Yes, you heard it right, all models in all countries. It's worth noting that this information is based on the current stage of development, and we're assuming it involves the yet unannounced Exynos 2500. Now, before you start worrying, let's take a moment to remember that these details are still in the rumor mill, so a pinch of doubt might be in order. But here's an interesting twist. While the Galaxy S25 might be embracing Exynos across the board, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 are rumored to take a different path. These foldables are expected to exclusively feature Qualcomm Snapdragon chipsets, specifically the 8 Gen 4. Now, that's quite a departure from the S series. It's a peculiar strategy, and we can't help but wonder why Samsung would choose to go with Snapdragon for the foldables. The plot thickens as we consider the upcoming entry-level and mid-range Galaxy S series, which is rumored to have a mix of SoCs from both MediaTek and Samsung in 2025. Now, we have to emphasize that we're still quite far away from the official launch of these devices, so take this rumor with an extra large dose of salt. It hasn't been confirmed by any other source, and as we know, plans can change. But if this does turn out to be true, it raises a few questions about Samsung's overall strategy. Even if the entire Galaxy S25 series does indeed go Exynos, the big question remains, what can we expect from the Exynos 2500? Could it potentially outshine the Snapdragon 8 series? We've witnessed surprises in the mobile world before, so don't rule out anything just yet. On the other hand, if the Exynos 2500 does prove to be a powerhouse, it does make us wonder why Samsung would reserve it for the Galaxy S series and not extend it to the foldables. The current Exynos Snapdragon split in the Galaxy S24 family has left some scratching their heads, and this potential strategy shift raises even more eyebrows. Alright folks, that wraps up today's rumor roundup on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. As always, take this information with a grain of salt, stay tuned for official announcements, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about Samsung's rumored Exynos exclusive approach? Until next time, peace out.